Hi guys, welcome back to the channel called VG Game Maker. This is VG Game Maker, and so today I am going to teach the events, controls, blocks, and the same things. So now let's go to events. When green flag clicked, it is used for the starting of the codes and for spacebar also. It's also usable for starting of the code, and these all events are used for starting of the code. This is so much big block, means when green flag clicked like this only. Let me show on this sprite. When green flag clicked, then only this whole code would be started. So now let's see. Yeah, it's working. I have first only told this the my in my first tutorial, first part. I think so. Okay, so now, and also this forever means it is used to follow the code again and again until we are not stopping the code using this green button, or also this stop all means it would stop all the sprites scripts, and this would stop the script which is like this, which is working here like this, which is working here. First it was looping, it stops like this only, it's happening, and stop other scripts of these sprites means to stop other scripts means which you can duplicate it, and you can make another script means another coding blocks. For that it would start the another script like this. Stop other scripts means this script would be stopped. See, it had stopped like this. It's happening with this block. And so now we are going to the if means the situation block, and wait means I first only told that in my first coding video. And so now after that repeat until means in a specified limit means like 10 times it the coding would be repeated, which can be like which is it fitted here. We have to remove this forever, so then the code would be repeated only 10 times. And also then we are going to take the show one example. I will one example of if so if this block. So now I am taking from sensing block means it can sense anything, like if key is pressed, if any key is pressed, or we can select keys from here, and if it's touching a mouse, my mouse, or any sprite or edges, like these are the edges. And also it can touch any color. We have to just click on this square, and we can go any random place, and we have to just click on the color, and that color is selected. And like this also it's done with of the sprite. If the sprite's color, like if this sprite is having a yellow color, and if the yellow color is touching this pink color, then it is called as a situation. And distance from mouse means like this, it is near to the I can't see it right now. Okay, let me take, wait 1 second. No, let it be. So right now the distance is 182 and it's so much big decimal number. From here it's much big, from here it's like that, and from here 55. It's called a distance, and it can also ask something like what is your name, and I have to type an answer here. I'm typing my name is VG. Now you can see that the answer is saved here. Let me make it large using this large red out. So it is VG written, and let me make it normal red out. Okay, and so now what is about the key, means I have first only tell about that, and then what is about this mouse. I don't know much about this mouse, so leave it. And then next is mouse X and mouse Y. So my mouse position is 240. So this it becoming large, and large means here are the numbers which you can see, they are becoming large or not, means it is they are telling the position of the mouse which on the background. Like if I have crossed the Y, so right now it's minus 180. If I have crossed here, so it's now minus 180. So here 224 x2 minus 21 here y. So here it was the y. Now about the loudness. So right now I was speaking, so the loudness is becoming low. I means my frequency. And so here the video motion means in that your PC or your laptop's camera would be on if your PC having a camera. And so if I click on this, so my laptop, so which on device I was, its camera would be on. And so it is used for video, this block is used for video camera transparency. 50 means in the middle, and 0 means it's so dark, and 100 means fully ghost effect. And so what about this timer? So this timer means it is not having any limit, means if I have clicked on this, still it's starting, still it's not stopping. So like this is the timer, and we can reset it using this block. See, it is resetted 4 point any number. And then this block is used to show the x, y, and to know the any direction, costume name, size, and volume of the sprites. Like about arrow 1, x position of arrow 1 is 77, and it's really 77 here. And then we are taking the direction of banana, so it's minus 57. Let me point it towards the up, I mean left. So direction of so the direction of this sprite himself is 37. No, it's telling some x, it's the x position. Let me take it to direction 90. So now of the arrow minus 157 and the decimals. And the current minute means it is telling the minute. I also don't know what is current minute. The current minute means the what minute is going on of the hour. It is having a means in Scratch. The Scratch is also having the memory of saving the days, username, current minutes, hours, and what it means current which minute is going on of the hour, minute, and which second is going on. So it's 32 second is going on. And next which day is going on, I mean minute 1, and day of the week 7th. Means right now it's the Sunday. You think that? Okay. And day since 2000 means the century, and how many days are over in this 2000 century? 740 7455 means 7455 point and decimal. And a username, and I also don't know what is the username. So leave it, the username. So now the minute is going on 2. So now let's go to controls. Now I will teach what is create clones, delete this clone, and the when I started clone means it is used to create clones of any sprite. Like it can create clones of arrow. I will click on that this block. So see, so it will be deleting this clone. So it can't delete that, so we have to go to this sprite, choose this clone and delete that. And it can also create clone of himself, means myself, means the bananas. Create clone of myself means the bananas. Delete this clone is used to delete the clone which we have selected, means which can start. And when I started clone is used to code the clones, means so this is the clone, and this is the actual sprite. And so now the anything means any code can be fit inside this create clone of myself, and it can also be fitted inside it can also be worked inside it. Delete this clone also and create clone of myself also, means if clones are there. So now share, like, subscribe my video, and if you haven't seen my part 1 of this coding, so see it, subscribe my channel, and use this create clones and make your own code for these clones.